रिलायंस रिटेल की निदेशक ईशा अंबानी को ईशा अंबानी नेम्ड एज महाराष्ट्रियन ऑफ द ईयर 2024 अवार्ड से नवाजा गया। यह अवार्ड ईशा अंबानी को महाराष्ट्र के मुख्यमंत्री एकनाथ शिंदे ने दिया है, जिसको लेकर ईशा अंबानी ने आभार व्यक्त किया है।
Namaskar. Thank you for this huge honor. Lokmat, as the name itself suggests, has been the people's voice in all of Maharashtra. Lokmat has played a pivotal role in enlightening and empowering our society over decades, and I'm truly humbled and honored to be recognized by your eminent jury and readers today. Thank you, Lokmat Group, and thank you, Darda family. I'm truly honored. This recognition is very special to me because my mother, Srimati Neeta Mukesh Ambani, who is my biggest role model and inspiration, won this award in 2016. For our family, Maharashtra is more than just our home. It is our karma bhumi. Today, my father-in-law Ajay uncle and my husband Anand are here with us today. Thank you Ajay uncle and thank you Anand for always supporting me and for showering me with your affection. My father Shri Mukesh Ambani is also here with us today. My parents raised me in a home where we were encouraged to follow my grandfather Shri Dhirubhai Ambani's words. Dare to dream, learn to excel. My father especially led by example and showed us that to excel, one has to work hard and put in your absolute best in whatever it is that you choose to do. All my life, I have watched him solely be dedicated to putting in his absolute best in whatever it is that he does and leaving the rest to God, as our Holy Gita teaches us. And that's what inspires me the most. So thank you, Papu. Everything I am is because of you. Thank you for encouraging me, for guiding me, and most of all, for believing in me. This award belongs to the entire Reliance family for their hard work and commitment in realizing every dream for a new India. This award is in recognition of Reliance's We Care philosophy. At Reliance, we truly care for our people care for each other, we care for our beloved nation India, and finally, we care for our planet. This recognition is a promise to my children, P, V, A and K, who are my hope for a beautiful and better future. For them and for all the children of our country, I promise to keep doing everything I can to build a future which is more compassionate, more equitable, and more joyous. And I promise to continue learning as much as I can from our elders to be passed on to our children. Here's to an even more magnificent Maharashtra and an incredible India. Jai Maharashtra, Jai Hind.